Hi, welcome to Easy English and thank you for visiting. This is now the last topic under the past tense and it is called the past perfect continuous in British or the past perfect progressive in American. Sounds complicated? Actually, it's easy. Have a look. So this tense is used with for and since to describe an action that had been going on for some time and finished at a particular time in the past. So here's the structure: the subject followed by had been, the present participle or the verb ing followed by the object, and time reference. So what makes this easy is that each of the pronouns he, she, it, a, you, we, they is followed by had been. That's all. Only had been. Have a look at the sentences. I had been doing my homework for 2 hours. I finished already. It had been raining since morning. It's not raining anymore. I could smell cigarettes. Someone had been smoking. Not anymore. For negative sentences, you just add the word not. For example, this printer had not been working well, but it's working now. They had not been studying very well. Now they are studying. We had not been living there long. That's all really for this tense. Just remember that each of the pronouns is followed by had been, and the verb is in the present participle or the verb ing. And also there is the word for and since. And I have already discussed this in a previous video. If you have any questions, please write them on the comments below. Are you ready for a quiz? Here you are. Check your answers. Well done. If you found the contents useful, please subscribe, share, and click on the notification bell. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye.